Greetings to all. Today we are going to discuss fractional numbers and decimals. A fraction of a number representing a part of a whole. This whole may be a single object or a group of objects. Suppose a chocolate is divided into 4 equal parts. Then one part is 1/4 of the total 4 parts. So it can be written as 1/4. Here 1 is called numerator and 4 is called denominator. Whatever we are writing above the slash is read as numerator and below is known as denominator. Let us have a situation. Surabhi invited 2 of her friends to her home to celebrate her birthday. She bought a cake and cut it into 10 pieces. All of them, including Surabhi, ate 1 piece of cake each. What fraction of cake they ate? The children, here the total number of pieces is 10. And Surabhi and her friends ate 3 pieces. So the fraction is 3/10. Here the numerator is 3, denominator is 10. Another situation, the question is, what fraction of day is 8 hours? Dear children, total hours in a day is 24 hours. So, the fraction is 8/24. Numerator is 8, denominator is 24. But numerator and the denominator are having a common factor, and that is 8. So, we can divide numerator and the denominator by the same common factor 8. So we will get the fraction as 1/3. This is known as the simplest form of the fraction. One fraction of an hour is 40 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So the required fraction is 40/60, that is 2/3. By dividing 40 and 60 by 20, we will get 2/3. Dear children, there are different types of fractions. The first one is proper fraction. When the numerator of a fraction is less than the denominator, it is called a proper fraction. For example, 2/3, 3/5, all are proper fractions. Improper and mixed fractions. An improper fraction is a fraction where the numerator is greater than the denominator. Example, 23/6, 25/9, 40/33, all are improper fractions. Now, what are mixed fractions? A mixed fraction is a fractional number consisting of a whole number and a proper fraction. For example, 4 1/2. A whole number 4 is there and a proper fraction 1/2. 3 2/7 is another mixed fraction. Dear children, an improper fraction can be converted into a mixed fraction and vice versa. Express the following as mixed fractions. The first one is 23/4. So the numerator is 23, denominator is 24. So the procedure is 23/4. We have to divide 23 by 4. So I am dividing 23. We will get 5 times. So 5 into 4, 20. The remainder is 3. So 23 by 4 can be expressed as, now the quotient is what? Quotient is 5. So we will write 5 first, then take the remainder. Remainder is what? 3. 3 by the divisor. Divisor is what? 4. So 3 by 4. So answer is 5, 3 by 4, which is the mixed fraction. Now let us take the next one. 39 by 7. The same way, we have to divide 39 by 7. Now, when we divide 39 by 7, the quotient will be 5. 5 sevens are 35. Now, the remainder is 4. So, the quotient is 5. So, the answer is 5. We have to write the whole number part 5. The remainder is 4. 4. The divisor is 7. 7. So, 5, 4 by 7. So, this is the way of expressing mixed fractions, improper into mixed fractions. Now, mixed fraction to improper fractions. Express the following mixed fractions as improper fractions. 2, 3 by 4. First one. 2, 3 by 4. That the procedure is, you just multiply 2 and 4 and add 3. So 2 into 4 plus 3 by the divisor 4. So that is equal to 8 plus 3, 11. So its answer is 11 by 4. Let us check the next one. That is B is 7, 1 by 9. So the same procedure, you just multiply 7 and 9. 7 into 9 and add 1. Divided by the divisor is 9. So it is 7 into 9 is 63. 63 plus 1. So 64 by 9. So answer is 64 by 9. These are improper fractions. Dear children, now let us discuss equivalent fraction. From the figure, it is very clear that the first figure, the shaded portion is 1 unit and the total is 2 units. So the shaded portions in fraction is 1 by 2. The same figure is divided into 4 parts where 2 parts are shaded. Total 4, shaded portions are 2 portions. So the fraction is 2 by 4. So it is the 1 by 2 and 2 by 4, both the fraction are representing the same region. So they are same. So they are called equivalent fractions. The children, a fraction is said to be in the simplest or lowest form if its numerator and denominator have no common factor except 1. Now let us discuss like fractions. Fractions with same denominators are called like fractions. Example, 1 by 50, 2 by 50, 3 by 50, 8 by 50, etc. are all like fractions. See, the denominators are all 50. See, fractions with the different denominators and they are called unlike fractions. Example, 2 by 5, 3 by 8, etc. are unlike fractions. Here we are discussing like fractions only. Now let us discuss addition and subtraction of fractions. Addition and subtractions of fractions means we have to study only like fractions. Addition and subtraction of like fractions. The procedure is, the step 1, you add the numerators. Step 2, retain the common denominator. Example, 2 by 11 plus 3 by 11 plus 4 by 11. See, the denominators are same, so the fractions are like fractions. So let us retain the common denominator 11. Now just add the numerators 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is 9. So the answer is 9 by 11. Another example, subtraction, 13 by 15 minus 4 by 15. See, the denominator is 50, so 13 minus 4, and that is 9. So answer is 9 by 15. We can make it into the simplest form, that is 3 by 5. Dear children, just now we have discussed fractions. Now let us go to decimals. Dear children, fractions with denominators 10, 100, etc. can be written in a form using a decimal point called decimal numbers or decimals. For example, consider the fraction 3 by 10. So the denominator is 10, the fraction 3 by 10 can be written as 0.3. This point is called the decimal. 7 by 100, the denominator is 100. 100 consists of 2 zeros. So 7 by 100 in decimals can be written as 0.07, not 7. We have to get 2 places there, 2 digits. So why? Because the denominator is 100 having 3 zeros. So it is 0.07. 13 by 100. Numerator is having 2 digits and denominator is having 100 with 2 zeros. So of course the fraction 13 by 100 in terms of decimals is 0.13. Now what about 123 by 100? See, the numerator is having 3 digits, denominator is having a number with 2 zeros, 100, 2 zeros. So 2 decimal parts is required. That is, after decimal point, we have to get 2 places. Here 123, so it can be written as 1.23. So this 0.23 is called the decimal parts and 1 is called the whole number parts. If it is 15 by 1000, how can we write? It can be written as 0.015. Why? Because 1000 is having 3 zeros, 15 only 2 digits, so it can be written as 0.015. Dear children, fractions can be converted into decimals by writing them in the form with the denominators 10, 100 and so on. Example, 3 by 5. See, the denominator is 5 now. We can multiply the 5 by a number 2 to get 10. So you just multiply both numerator and the denominator by the same 2. So you will get 3 into 2, 6 as the numerator, 5 into 2, 10 as the denominator. So it is 6 by 10. It can be expressed as 0.6. Now, if it is 3 by 4, we cannot convert 4 into 10. But we can convert 4 into 100 by multiplying by 25. So you just multiply numerator and denominator by the same number 25. So it is 3 into 25 divided by 4 into 25 is equal to 75 by 100, and that's equal to 0.75. Similarly, decimal can be converted into fractions by removing the decimal point by writing 10, 100, etc. in the denominators depending upon the number of decimal places in the decimals. For example, 0.21. Now, how many decimal places here? 2 places. 2 and 1, 2 places. So, it can be written as 21 divided by 100. 21 by 100. So, the fraction is 21 by 100, which is the fractional representation of the decimal 0.21. 0.9, only one decimal place, 9. So, the fractional representation is 9 by 10, as it is only having one decimal place. Dear children, we can use decimals in different situations. Money transaction time, by using the currency or money. The children, we know that 100 paise is 1 rupee. 1 rupee means 100 paise. So, what about 1 paise? 1 paise is 1 by 100 rupees. That is 0.01 rupee. If it is of 12 paise, what will be that? It is 0.12 rupees. Now, rupees 1 and 5 paise. 1 and 5 paise means 105 paise, because 1 rupee means 100, 5 paise, so 105 paise. So, having 3 digits. So, the decimal representation will be 1.05 rupees. In the case of length, everybody knows that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So, 1 centimeter will be equal to 0.01 meter. So, what about 25 centimeter? It is 0.25 meter. Now, in the case of weight, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Hence, 1 gram is equal to 0.001 kilogram, because 1000 grams, so 3 zeros. So, what about 50 gram? Generally, people are making mistake. 50 gram is 0.050. Don't say that 0.5. It is 0.050 gram, kilogram. 1 kilogram, 50 gram. 1 kilogram, so it is 1 point. 50 gram is 0.50. So, the answer is 1.050 kilogram. Dear children, let us discuss some questions. A question: 13 by 9 minus 5 by 9. So, 13 by 9 minus 5 by 9. The common denominator is 9. So, numerator is 13 minus 5. We have to subtract only the numerators. So, we are getting 8 by 9. So, the answer is B. Let's have another question. A cup is 1 by 3 full of milk. What part of the cup is still to be filled by milk to make it full? So, cup is having 1 by 3 full of milk. So, total is 1. We may take it as 1. 1, from 1 we have to subtract 1 by 3. 1 means the total. It can be written as 3 by 3 also. So, 1 minus 1 by 3, and this one is written as 3 by 3, because total is divided into 3 equal parts. 3 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So, it's very easy. Correctly we will get it. The common denominator is 3 and 3 minus 1 is 2. So, the answer is 2 by 3. Answer is B. We may discuss another question. Lakshmi's mother divided a watermelon into 18 equal parts. Lakshmi ate 7 out of them and her friend ate 5. There are two questions. What fraction of watermelon did Lakshmi eat? First one. So total parts is equal to 18. 18 equal parts. Now what about Lakshmi ate how much? 7. So the answer is 7 by 18 because Lakshmi ate 7 and the total is 18. So answer is B, 7 by 18. What about the second question? What fraction of watermelon did Lakshmi's friend eat? Lakshmi's friend ate 5. Total is 18. So it is answer is 5 by 18. Answer is B. Let us discuss the next question. 5 centimeter is expressed in kilometers as option A 0.05 kilometer, option B 0.005 kilometer, option C 0.00005 kilometer, and option D having 5 zeros and 5 kilometer. Now let us discuss that. One kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to how much? 1000 meters. What about 1 meter? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, 1 kilometer is equal to, in centimeter if you are writing, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 into 100 centimeter. And that's equal to 1 lakh, that is 50 centimeter, 50 centimeter. Therefore, what about 1 centimeter? 1 centimeter is 1 by, 1 kilometer is 1 by, that's 1 lakh kilometer. So in decimals, we can write it as 0.00001 because 5 decimal places is required. So 4 zeros and 1. So 0.0001 kilometer. Therefore, 5 centimeter is equal to 0.00005 kilometer. So the answer is 4 zeros and 5. That is 5 decimal places. Answer is C. The correct answer is C. Now let us discuss another question. Kumar bought 4 kilogram 90 gram of apples, 2 kilogram 60 grams of grapes, 5 kilogram 300 grams of mangoes. The total weight of the fruits he bought. Now let us write apples and weight of apple. Apples, how much? 4 apples is equal to 4 kilogram 90 gram. 4 kilogram 90 gram. And in decimals, we can write this as 4.090 kilogram. What about grapes? Grapes, in weight of grapes is equal to 5 kilogram, 2 kilogram 60 gram. And that is in decimals, it is 2.060 kilogram. What about mangoes? Mangoes is 5 kilogram 300 gram. Mangoes weight 5 kilogram 300 grams. 300 grams. We can write in decimals as 5.300 kilogram. Okay, children, let us add this to get the total weight. So 0 and 6 plus 9, 15, balance 1, 4, and then it is 11. So 11.450 kilogram. So the total weight of the fruits is 11.450 kilogram, that is A. So the children, today we have discussed fractionals, decimals, conversion of fraction numbers into decimals, decimals into fractions, different type of fractions, and few application questions also. Hope that it is clear to you. We may meet with another topic Zoom in the next session. Thank you. Stay blessed.